Hello and welcome back again to my channel. For today's video, another crypto review. But before that guys, please subscribe to my channel. This is not a financial advice, so always do your own research because this is for entertainment only. Crypto has a risk, so always do your own research and be responsible on your funds. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to talk about this Exodus, a Bitcoin and crypto wallet. Seamless, secure, self-custodial, swap, buy, and manage a diverse portfolio in one place. You can use it on your Windows, just download here, okay? And then a download will pop up, and then the Exodus Windows x64 will be downloaded, and you can just install it on your laptop or on your computer. So this is the example of their product or their platform guys. You can also use it on mobile there. Okay, seamless swaps, proven reliability with billions in USDT. Swap volume process globally will deliver unmatched reliability. Execute your crypto strategy and swap confidently between thousands of assets with rates starting as low as 0.5%. So buy and sell directly in your wallet. So easily buy and sell crypto using your credit or debit card, bank account, Apple Pay, or Google Pay, you name it guys. Okay, so your crypto is delivered straight to your wallet. So boost your crypto holdings, earn while you hold, stake your crypto in a few taps to possibly earn rewards. Wow. And also, it has an asset supported up to 1 million guys. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Solana, you name it, all the crypto guys, they supported it. So explore the power of Exodus. They have a passkey protection, a 24/7 customer support, user-friendly interface. Secure your wallet with a device-based passkey, no password needed. So advanced security made easy. Securely manage and swap crypto in Exodus with your Ledger and Trezor hardware wallets. So multiple chain support guys. So here's some of the question that you can ask here at the website. So how secure is Exodus? Exodus prioritizes security with robust interception and ensures that your private keys are stored securely on your device. So you maintain full control over your asset at all times. Okay, so the products, they have a wallet, desktop wallet, Web3 wallet, an extension that you can download in a Chrome web store, Ledger hardware wallet, a Trezor hardware wallet, earn crypto rewards. Also on the enterprise, they have ExoPay, ExoSwap, Passkey wallet, and SDK wallet as a service WAS. They support 24/7 guys, and they have a crypto asset that support asset, crypto rewards, and more. You can learn about this wallet guys by common question and blockchain education here. Their YouTube channel, you can contact them on the newsletter. Okay, so any news that will be posted here and updates will be on the newsletter guys. So the company, and then let's check the investor guys. Okay, so H.C. Wainwright 27th Annual Global Investment Conference. So latest news, the Exodus report second quarter 2025. Okay, so this is just a news. And then the company itself. So about us. Empowers people to control their wealth. Secure, manage, and swap cryptocurrency on desktop, mobile, and hardware wallet. At Exodus, we pour our hearts into every detail from pixel-perfect icons to subtitle sounds, creating a cryptocurrency experience that works for everyone. I think that's all about this crypto wallet, guys. If you want to use it and secure your crypto assets, just download it on your mobile or on your Windows, and that's it. You can have a secure on your crypto asset. So again, this is me. Subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.